Hello there, this is Peter again. Today I am the Joyride guy, and I want to show you a Joyride script that I made for highlighting numbers so that the thousands groups stand out more. When you see the numbers without that grouping, it could be a bit hard to parse for a human. So someone showed me an Emacs, or told me rather, about an Emacs minor mode that did something for this. So I wanted to try it with Joyride, which is the way we do minor modes for VS Code. So here's the script, and it's outlined at the top here how we want to approach the highlighting. So we want to approach it highlighting from the least significant group of thousands up towards the most significance, and not forgetting the number there, starting a new group of thousands. So that's what we want to do with this script, and you can examine the script in the gist that I will link below. But now we will be running it. Run Joyride script and run it, and now you can see that we have bolded the numbers in the text file as we said, and it's also happening in the code there. But you can see here that that S there is also bold, so there must be a bug in the code that those two X's shouldn't be bolded. So let's look at the script here. It's probably down here where we group the thousands. So here we go from, we can make it highlight in this code. So these two X's shouldn't be highlighted. And it's because we have the wrong range when we reach that in the mapping up here. So we should probably max this to max out at the start of the number. So if we evaluate this, it will immediately happen. The highlighting will immediately. Did you see it? Now those X's are no longer highlighted, and we have fixed the problem. And you can see that happens everywhere the highlighter is running. So maybe you think it's a bit subtle with just the bolding. So then you can give it a really not subtle thing. But if you change this, then you need to run the script again because it's not dynamic. So if you run the number again, now you can see straight out of a movie like that. Maybe not what you want. So, but anyway, you can go crazy with it if you like. Let's reset it. So yeah, that's the highlighter script. I hope you try it, and it's a good example of what a Joyride script can do, I think.